How to remove or log out your YouTube account from other devices. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can remove or log out your YouTube account from other devices. Well, first things first, you want to proceed to open up YouTube and make sure you're logged into your correct account. Head into your profile. Now once you're on the profile, what you can do is head over to Google account option that you can see here. So simply tap on Google account and this page should load up. Now your YouTube account is directly associated with your Google account, right? So you want to head into your security option on Google account, and here you can see, scroll down below and you'll be able to see manage all devices option. Tap on it and now you'll be able to see every single device that you're logged in on. So you can proceed to select every device that you do not wish to log into your account anymore, that you wish to log out from. Enter in your password and you'll get the logout option and you can proceed to log out. So this is how you can remove YouTube account from other devices. You can do it through your Google account settings. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.